Everyone, so today I am near to my friend's house and I found a traditional Indonesian snack, so I want to bake. Diba ako mabili 5,000 juga. Yang ketan hitam singkong ini sama ini aja.
Gulanya merah putih.
Putih. Biasanya kesini jam berapa, Bu?
Gak tentu sih, ini kadang kesiangan, kadang pagi.
Oh ya.
Tapi kalau minggu mah di Metro.
Oh,
Di Metlan, iya.
Oh, Metlan.
Iya.
Makasih ya, Bu. I like 5,000 rupiah and I buy I don't know what is on the list, but it's like bukan bodin bahasnya. Oh, this is singkong. But that's just it. I buy ketan hitam and getuk, but it's getuk hitam. I don't know what type getuk is it. And after that, these coconuts on the top and sugar. Actually, some of that, like all of that is nuts. As you see, it's not that this is I think it's not have flavor, but so the flavor is strong. The flavor is not strong. It's like the seeds are salty, like not like this. So we give coconut or coconut and sugar, so that makes more tasty. And it's just not the tree. It's like a channel. There are like channel. Coupon lupis. Actually, I want buy lupis too, but I'm like broke because I just like 5,000 rupiah and my wife. He has not. I have not saved anymore. My money is on my purse. So it's my purse money, not my. I maybe get this far. Now, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.